Hello my fellow gamers, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to make lights for your base in Dune Awakening. So if this is something that you want to be able to make, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So to be able to make lights for your base in Dune Awakening, it is actually very simple. The only thing that you have to do is to go into your base, of course, and then you're going to equip your construction tool right here. And then we're going to click on the R button on our keyboard to be able to change set. So as you can see, you need to then click on the chair icon right here, and then we're going to click on lightning. So as you can see, we have this one, this one. We have actually 5 choices here. So for example, we can take one of this. So let's take this one right here, and we can place it, I think, right here, maybe. Okay, it's blocked. Okay, let's actually place it maybe here then. Yeah, just left click. As you can see, you have this first light right here. It looks, I mean, I guess it looks okay. I'm not the best at building base, to be honest, but I'm trying. So we can also take, I'm just going to go into lightning. Let's take, I think this is pretty cool also, actually. Let's see if I can drop this somewhere. I don't know if it's actually supposed to, where this one is supposed to be. Let's see, not enough support. Interesting. So, okay, let's try another one. I'm going to see this one as an example. Yeah, here's this. We can have it maybe here. And we can try also, let's try this one. Maybe here or next to it. I don't know. Doesn't look great, unfortunately, but I'm trying. So yeah, as you can see, the 3 lights here. I'm not quite sure exactly where the last one actually can go. I'm gonna see this. Maybe this is supposed to be on the wall somehow, or yeah, I'm not sure actually where this is supposed. Oh, actually it can be here on the floor. Okay, interesting. Okay, I have one here, I guess. Yeah, I mean, basically this is exactly how to do this.